Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently 68 degrees, mostly cloudy and breezy here on this Sunday afternoon. Today, I'm going to taste test the Valley Pop cheddar cheese popcorn. I bought this 6.5 ounce pouch at a local department store last week for $1.04. Oh my, what a deal. If you've tried this brand, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. The store had 27 bags in stock. Some were up by the front checkout registers and some were in the back in the home goods section of the store. And also, full disclosure, this particular bag has an expiration date of September 22nd, 2023. Valley Popcorn Company is not a sponsor of this video. Woo! Oh yeah. Cheers, everybody. Fresh, light and airy, lightly salted, a nice cheddar aftertaste. I am impressed with the size of the kernels. Smooth. I like that. This almost reminds me of the Orville Redenbacher brand of popcorn. This is great. And I like the portions. A big bag for a good price. It's a little over $1. Wow. Good deal. Cheddar. Woohoo. Cheddar. Even though it's out of the bag, it's cold popcorn. It's still really tasty. Impressive. Get all the cheddar seasoning on my fingers as well. I like it. Even with the seasoning, it's not as greasy as some other popcorns I've had in my lifetime. Ooh. Yeah, eat this while watching a movie at home. Oh yeah, movie time. Pop kernels, even better. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give the Valley Pop cheddar cheese popcorn. I'm going to give this 9.41. Good deal. I am so glad I bought this at that price. No worries. Just the perfect amount of crunch, lightness, and the cheddar cheesiness. Wow. Fresh. No issues at all. I'll probably have this whole bag gone by the end of the day because it's so good. Nibble. Delicious. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels. Happy Father's Day. Ta-da. Ding.